Hey everyone! Welcome back to Xplorer, where we dive into the latest and greatest in tech. Today, we have a special treat. We are exploring the Redmi Note 14 Pro Plus. Packed with exciting features, from a high-performance processor to an impressive camera setup and sleek design, this device is turning heads in the smartphone market. So, let's break down everything you need to know about the Redmi Note 14 Pro Plus and see if it truly lives up to the hype. Redmi has always impressed with its design, and the Note 14 Pro Plus is no exception. It's built with a premium glass back and a sturdy aluminum frame, which not only gives it a luxurious feel but also makes it incredibly durable. Available in classic colors like midnight black and glacier blue, this device has a minimalist, modern aesthetic. It's slim yet solid in the hand, and the curved edges make it comfortable to hold, even during extended use. With IP53 splash protection, it's built to withstand light splashes and dust, a bonus for durability. Moving on to the display, the Redmi Note 14 Pro Plus boasts a gorgeous 6.7-inch AMOLED panel with a 2400x1080 resolution. The screen is vibrant, delivering bright colors and sharp details that make watching videos, browsing, and gaming an absolute pleasure. With a 120Hz refresh rate, scrolling and transitions feel buttery smooth, which you'll especially notice in gaming or fast-paced apps. And thanks to HDR10 Plus support, the color accuracy and contrast are top-notch, giving you deep blacks and vibrant colors. Under the hood, the Redmi Note 14 Pro Plus is powered by the Snapdragon 7th Gen 3 processor. This is a powerful chipset designed to handle everything you throw at it, from demanding apps to graphic-intensive games. Paired with up to 12GB of RAM and 256GB of UFS 3.1 storage, multitasking on this device is seamless. When it comes to gaming, the Snapdragon 7th Gen 3 shines. Games like PUBG Mobile and Asphalt 9 run smoothly at high settings with virtually no lag or frame drops. Plus, the GPU cooling system ensures the phone remains at optimal temperature, even during intense gaming sessions. The Note 14 Pro Plus runs MIUI 15, based on Android 14, which brings an improved user experience with smoother animations, better app management, and some impressive customization options. MIUI 15 is packed with features like the enhanced control center, new privacy tools, and improved battery optimization. Also offers 3 years of major updates and 4 years of security patches, so you're covered for a while with this device. One of the highlights of the Redmi Note 14 Pro Plus is its impressive 200MP primary camera. Yes, you heard that right, 200 megapixels. This sensor captures incredible detail, even when zooming in, and performs well in different lighting conditions. Colors are natural, and the images are sharp and clear. The secondary 12MP ultra-wide lens is perfect for landscape shots or group photos, capturing a wider field of view with minimal distortion. And we also have a 5MP telemacro lens for those close-up shots, delivering crisp details that are perfect for creative photography. Low-light performance on this camera is fantastic, thanks to the night mode and larger sensor size. Images come out bright, with minimal noise, and the colors remain true to life. With 6200 mAh battery, the Redmi Note 14 Pro Plus offers impressive battery life. Whether you're streaming, gaming, or just browsing, this device will comfortably last you through a full day of use. And here is where it gets exciting. It supports 90W fast charging. According to Redmi, you can go from 0% to 100% in just about 20 minutes. So, even if you forget to charge overnight, a quick top-up in the morning will have you set for the day. When it comes to audio, the Redmi Note 14 Pro Plus features dual stereo speakers tuned with Dolby Atmos, delivering clear and immersive sound. Whether you're watching movies or listening to music, the audio experience is solid. In terms of connectivity, it's equipped with 5G Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth 5.2, and an infrared blaster for remote control functionality. There's also a 3.5mm headphone jack, which is a nice touch, especially for audiophiles. The Redmi Note 14 Pro Plus comes with an in-display fingerprint sensor, which is both fast and accurate. Additionally, it supports face unlock for those who prefer convenience, and it works well even in low-light conditions. Finally, let's talk about pricing. One of the biggest selling points of the Redmi Note 14 Pro Plus is that it offers flagship-level features at a mid-range price. This is an impressive value for money device, combining performance, a high-quality camera, and a beautiful display. In conclusion, the Redmi Note 14 Pro Plus is a true competitor in the mid-range smartphone market. It has everything you need: a beautiful display, powerful processor, stunning camera system, and long-lasting battery. If you're in the market for a device that offers premium features without a premium price, the Note 14 Pro Plus is definitely worth considering. Thanks for watching. Be sure to give this video a thumbs up if you found it helpful, and don't forget to subscribe for more in-depth tech reviews on Xplorer. What are your thoughts on the Redmi Note 14 Pro Plus? Drop them in the comments below. Catch you in the next video.